Hello YouTube fans, welcome back to Ben That Reviewed That. So today, as you can see, I'm at E-Mart again, right there. So I had to come back to E-Mart because I need to get a new PS4 controller. So I am going to show you, this is part 2 of the E-Mart video. I'm going to show you the inside of the electronics section. It's probably the coolest part of the store. So we're going to walk in there. I have the new GoPro, the Hero 9. You can see that video of unboxing in the link right here. I'll put it up here in this corner. And also in the description below. So check out that unboxing. This is the video. You're gonna see the difference in quality. The quality is really good on it. So let's go into E-Mart, turn on the camera, walk through the electronics section. I'll get a PS4 controller and we'll see what happens. So they have this really cool screen right here. Pretty sweet. This is the ElectroMart person figurine. As soon as I walked into this store, I saw the PS4 controllers right here at the checkout. However, I forgot my wallet in my car, so I was a little bummed out. So I decided just to walk around the store and let you guys get a feel for what the store has to offer. And then I would go back out and get my wallet later. So the ElectroMart of E-Mart reminds me of like Best Buy or something. They have a lot of computers, a lot of gaming stuff. They also have massage chairs, which you'll see later on. And then appliances, kind of like Best Buy. They got vacuum cleaners, they have refrigerators, and all that kind of stuff. So it's just like a little electronics section of the store. It's a nice little store. So I just realized I left my wallet in the car, so I'll take some video and then I will go back out and get my wallet. Here's the game area right here. So one thing I like about these electronic stores here overseas are the custom accessories and controllers and stuff like that. So you'll find a lot more custom video game controllers and accessories here in Asia than you would find in the United States. And I don't know if that's because Japan and all that, they just have different regulations or rules, or I don't know, but for whatever reason, they seem to get more customized features than the US does. Let me know what you guys think about these new type of chairs for gaming, and if you have one, let me know in the comments below. I think they're pretty cool. They look really comfortable. I have sat in one before, and it hugs you really snug, and it supports your back and all that. Not that I think you should be playing video games so long that you need a chair like that, but I guess some people do. A large part of this store is devoted to video games, as you can see. And then right here are the massage chairs. So they have a whole section of massage chairs, which is kind of funny to me. I guess they really like the massage chairs over here, so that was kind of cool. I'm probably gonna get one of these for the GoPro. I was looking at the SD cards because they're cheaper here than they are at the PX for me. So this 164 gigabytes SanDisk was about $15, about 19,000 won, so about $15. So I figured I'd probably go back and get one of those later on. Get this. This was really cool to me. It caught my attention. It's like a stove slash dishwasher. So I was like, oh wow, I've never seen something like that before. So I took a little short of that to upload to YouTube because I thought that was pretty cool. Comment below if you think that's new. Have you seen anything like that in the past? Or is that new to you also? I really like these refrigerators. They kind of look like cabinets when you walk up to them, but it's actually a refrigerator. So you can buy them in different colors that match your house. So that was pretty interesting. The TVs, oh look at that. That looks like a painting, huh? That's crazy. So yeah, Samsung is made in Korea, so there's a lot of Samsung products here. These are like ACs. rice cookers, hair dryers, vacuum cleaners, blenders. I thought it was fascinating that they had golf in this part of the store. I mean, golf and electronics doesn't really seem to match, right? But golf is big here in Korea, so maybe they just decided to put it next to where they're going to get a lot of traffic. These are cool. These are fans. They just look to have a cool look to them. We're back. I did end up getting my wallet and I did buy a PS4 controller. It's a white one. So I'll get home and try that out. I'm excited to try that. I hope you guys like this video of the E-Mart, the electronics. Let me know in the comments below if you like the new quality of the GoPro 9. I definitely can see a difference when I look at the videos. It's a lot clearer and it's also a lot more stable. So let me know in the comments below, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.